I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start immediately. Make sure you reach the only way area and completed its opening sequence so merchants and crafting benches appear. Then collect bamboo, oil, and one leather bundle. These are the basic materials for the first batch of darts. Once you have materials, open the Techniques menu and unlock the dart or throwable upgrade. This is required before crafting. You do this now so crafting becomes available at any shrine, bench, or vendor. Don't delay. Gather and unlock, then proceed. Once done unlocking, approach a crafting bench or merchant in the only way region to make darts. You can craft small stacks if you have standard materials. They scale with rare bamboo or higher oil quality, so prioritize those if you want stronger darts. If you need darts fast, buy them from local vendors up to their stock limit. This is faster than farming materials. Make sure to invest technique points that increase dart damage or capacity, because that improves effectiveness in fights and stealth. Finish by equipping darts into your throwable slot and binding the quick use button so you can pull them mid-combat. You should test them immediately on practice targets or low-level foes to confirm aim and damage. This tunes your throw timing. If crafting fails or merchants show no stock, make sure the dart technique is unlocked and materials are in your inventory. If still broken, fast travel away and back to refresh merchant inventories and bench availability. This usually fixes missing items.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.